Good morning, kids. Today our topic is adding 10, 100, 1000 up to 4-digit numbers. On adding 10, we add here 4,310 plus 10, which is equal to 0 plus 0 is equal to 0, 110 plus 110 is equal to 2, and now here 300 and 4,000. So now we have sum 4,320. Now what we observe here, at ones place, here previously also ones place digit 0, after adding 10 also here 0, and tens place digit was 1, and now after adding 10 here tens place digit 2. So what we see, the ones digit remains the same and tens digit always changed. Okay, always changes. Tens place digit increased by 2. When we add 10 in any number, the ones digit remains the same and tens digit changes. Okay. Now we see here next 1992 plus 10. 1992 plus 10. Okay. Now we will add this first two ones plus 0 ones, which is equal to 2 ones, and 19 plus 1 10, which is equal to 10 tens. So we write 0 under the tens column and 1 carry over the 100 place, and 9 hundreds plus 100 is equal to 10 write 0 under the 100 column, and 100 carry over the 1000 column. So now we see here 1 plus 1 is equal to here 2000. Okay, so now we have sum here 2002. What we observe here ones digit remains the same. Okay, ones digit remains the same and tens digit always changes. Here tens digit always changes, and 100 digit also change if there is regrouping. If there is regrouping, 100 place digit also change. Okay. Now we have example question. Add 1572 and 10. So see here, add 1572 plus 10 is equal to 2 plus 0, 2, 7 plus 1 is equal to 8, and 500 and 1000. So we have here number 1582. What we see here, ones place digit remains the same and tens place digit changes, and 100 and 1000 place digit as it is. So one more thing here, also underline the change digit. So we have to underline the change digit. Here change digit is 8. So here also underline 8 digit already underlined. Now second example we have 1496 plus 10. 1496 plus 10. Now first we add 1, 6 ones plus 0 1 is equal to 6 ones. Now 9 tens plus 1 tens, 10 tens, so write 0 under the tens column and write 0 under the tens column. 1 10 here carry over the 100 column, and now 100 plus 400 is equal to 500 and 1000. So now we have 1506. Here also see ones digit remains the same and tens place digit changes and 100 place digit also changes. So we have to underline tens and hundred place digits. Now on adding 100, now we have to add here 6310 plus 100. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0, 1 plus 0, 1, 3 plus 1, 4 and 6. Now we have sum here 6410. When we add 100 in a number, what we here observe here, ones and tens digit remains the same, ones and tens digit remains the same, and hundreds digit always changes. Okay, hundreds digit always changes. Next we have here second example, 2992 plus 100. 2992 plus 100. 2 plus 0 is equal to 2. Now add the tens. 9 plus 0, 9, and 9 plus 1 here, 10 hundreds. 9 hundreds plus 100, 10 hundreds. So write 0 under the tens column. Okay, here 1000 carry over to the thousand column. 1000 plus 2000 is equal to here 3000. We have sum here 3092. So we see here ones and tens digit remains the same. Ones and tens digit remains the same. Ones, tens, 100, and I am writing here 1000. Ones and tens digit remains the same, and 100 digit always changes. 100 digit here always changes, and 1000 digit also changes if there is regrouping. Here regrouping, so that 1000 place digit also changes. Next we see here example 14. Add 6578 plus 100. Now we know when we add 100 in any number, if there is no regrouping, then simply we can write here ones and tens digit remains the same. So we can write here ones and tens digit remains the same, and 100 digits always change. Okay, it will increase by 1. So you can write here 6, and 1000 place digit will not change. So we have sum here 6678. Next example here, add 2009 1949 plus 100. Okay, now we add this. Add once, 9 plus 0, 9, 4 plus 0, 4. Now 9 tens plus 1 10 is equal to 10 tens. Write 0 under the tens 100 column, and 1000 carry over. 1000 plus 1000 is equal to 2000. So now we have sum 2049, and we have to underline also change digit. So now we see here ones and tens digit remains the same. Ones and tens digits remains the same, and 100 digits always changes here. 100 digits changes, so underline this digit. And 1000 digit also changes if there is regrouping. Here regroup, so that 1000 place also digit change. So we underline here. Next, on adding 1000. Now we have to add 5000 859 plus 1000. Okay, 9 ones plus 0 ones 9, 5 tens plus 0 10 5, and 800 plus 0 100 is equal to 8, and 5000 plus 1000 6. What we see here, ones place digit and tens place digit and 100 place digit remain unchanged. Okay, ones, tens, hundreds digits remain unchanged, and thousand digit always changes. Okay, it is increased by 1. So we underline thousand place digit, change place digit we have to underline. Now we see here example 15. Add 6979 plus 1000. We add here 9 plus 0 9, 7 plus 0 7, 9 plus 0 9, and 6 plus 1 7. So what we see here, ones and tens and hundreds digit remain unchanged, and thousand place digit always changes. So we underline thousand place digit. Next, 7000 plus 1000 we have to add. 7000 plus 1000. So after adding 7000 and 1000 we get here 8000. Here ones and tens 100 digits remain unchanged, and 1000 digit always changes. So we underline here 1000 digit. Okay. Now let's see some practice question. What is 10 more than? What is 10 more than 632? So we add here 10 in 632. We get here sum here 642, and we have to underline the change digit. So see here, ones place digit, when we add 10 in any number, ones place digit is same, and ones place digit will be same, and tens place digit will be increased by 1. So we underline here 4, digit 4. Now we add here 10 in 5492. After adding we get here some 5502. So ones place digit same, and when tens place digit also changes, always changes, while 100 digit also changes if there is regrouping. Okay, so now you see here tens and 100 plus digit here change. So we underline here tens and 100 plus digit, because tens and 100 plus both change here. When tens and 100 plus digit will change, when 100 digits change if there is regrouping. So now we see here tens place here 9, and 4 place here we add 492 plus 10. Okay, we get here some 2, and 9 plus 1 9, tens plus 1 10 is equal to 10 tens. So write 0 under the tens column, and here 1 carry. Now 400 plus 100 is equal to 5, and 5000 here 5502 here sum. So we see here ones place digit is same, and tens place digit always changes, and 100 place digit also changes if there is regrouping. Tens place digit also changes if there is regrouping. So we underline here tens place and 100 place, both the digits we underline here. Now we see second question. What is 100 more than 824 tens? 824 tens means 824 multiply by 10, which is equal to 8240. Okay, 8240, and we have to find what is 100 more than 8240. So in this case we add 100, and after adding 100 we get here sum 8340. 8340 we get here sum, and we see here ones and tens place digit remains the same, and 100 place digit always changes, so we underline here 100 place digit. Next one, 7924 ones. So we add 7924 ones means multiply by 1, which is equal to 7924 and plus 100, and we add this, then we get here sum 7924. And now what we see here, ones and tens place digit remains the same, and 100 place digit always changes. 100 place digit here will come. Okay, once again we see 7924 plus we have to add in this 100, so 4 2. Okay, we have sum here 8024. So what we see here, ones and tens place digit remains the same, and 100 place digit always changes, and 1000 place also digit change. Okay, if there is regrouping. Now next question is, what is 1000 more than 5302? So in this case we have to add 1000. We have to add 1000 in 5302. 2 ones plus 0, 2, and 0 tens plus 0 tens, 0, 300 plus 0, 3, and 5000 plus 1000 is equal to 6000. What we see here, ones, tens and 100 digits remains the same, and 1000 place digit increased by 1. So we underline here 1000 place digit. So that we underline here 1000 place digit. And next one, what is 1000 more than 800 tens? 800 tens means 800 multiplied by 10, which is equal to 8000. In this we have to add 1000 plus 10,000, which is equal to 9,000. So what we see here, when we add in 1000 here, ones and tens 100 digits remains the same, and 1000 place digit always changes. It is increased by 1. So we can write here 9000, and we can underline also change digit. Here change digit at 1000 place 9, so we underline this. Now we see exercise 2G question here. First question is 1240 plus 10. Now we know the rule. If we add 10 in any number, ones place digit will be same, and tens place digit increase by 1. So now here 4, it is increased by 1, so now 5, and 100 place and 1000 place number will be same if there is no regrouping. Next one here, when we add 100 in any number, if there is no regrouping, then we see here ones place number will be same and tens place number also will be same, and 100 place number, suppose here 9, then we will add this 9 plus 1, then here it is increased by 1. Okay, if there is regrouping, then 100 place digit will change. Now second question here. Now we add 10 in 5489. So ones place digit will be same and tens place digit will increase by 1. Okay, and 100 place digit will be same. So now we have, after adding 10 in this number, we have some 5499. So by this way you can add easily. I hope you like it. Thank you.